Okay, we are inside Miss Universe Philippines 2025 and everybody here is so excited. Thank you to Balsa Cuba for my gown, first of all. So excited to wear it. Well, people are starting to come in. The show is going to begin soon. This is a beautiful stage. And I hear na talagang pinaghandaan nila itong coronation finals. They went through the rehearsals. There's so many different elements to the show. For sure, people are going to super enjoy it. This is where the judges are going to be sitting. They are going to be making the decision kung sino ang magiging representative ng Pilipinas sa susunod na Miss Universe 2025 na gaganapin sa Thailand. Good luck, ladies!
Is prohibited. Following are prohibited inside the XM Mode and 301 to 307 proceed to the exit doors.
Universe Africa and Oceania, Chizima Atachina, Miss Universe America, Tatiana Palmez. In film, modeling, and marketing. Her proudest moment was seeing her first solo billboard on ETSA. Pasay City. Milky from Pasay City blends her passion for baking with a drive to empower others. A future finance grad, she's dedicated to making a difference and inspiring change. Nueva Ecija. Chanel from Nueva Ecija, a proud Filipino-Australian, is dreaming of empowering women to embrace their potential at any stage in life. She aims to build her platform that will transform lives for good. Iligan City is a strong, family-oriented individual who's very proud of supporting her siblings. She aspires to become a lawyer someday and advocate for responsible parenting. Representing Taguig City, meet Kat, an adrenaline junkie, Air Force reservist, and aspiring Mount Everest climber, driven to achieve financial freedom and make an impact while staying grounded in family and community. Cebu City, the Green Wave Cebu at 19, advocating for health and sustainability, with a goal to live her life in a way that reflects her faith, while pursuing a career in medicine and dermatology. Ain of Occidental Mindoro is an introvert who transforms on stage. She hopes to become a purposeful queen and make her province proud, all while quietly loving the thrill of performance. Benguet! Michael from Benguet is a skilled textile maker who started earning money at a young age by repairing clothes. She aspires to help her mother retire and enjoy living the life she deserves. Davao, a film student with dreams of amplifying Filipino voices globally while preserving our cultural heritage. From Tarlac Province, Sasha Lacuna embraces her unique beauty mark and proudly stands as her province's first MUPH delegate. A farm girl at heart with big dreams, she champions self-love and the courage to stand out. Eloy from Laguna is a model who started her career at 15 to support her family. She was once a volleyball enthusiast, but stopped to focus on modeling and take care of her legs for the runway. Thai, despite being a beauty queen, she battles nerves before every event, pushing herself to give her best without regret, driven by a desire to serve others and make a difference. Ade Aklan is a Filipino-American born in China and raised in Thailand. She plans to mount a Filipino fashion festival in California, highlighting OFW designers in support of Women's Cancer Foundation. Ifuga is a first-generation college graduate in the U.S. of a special edition peer-reviewed journal. From Muntinlupa, Winwin is a proud mom, performer, and dreamer. Inspired by her roots and fueled by purpose, she lives to make meaningful change while dancing through life with no regrets. Oriental Mindoro. Representing Oriental Mindoro, Rachel has 168 pageant experiences and aims to inspire fellow OFWs. She dreams of a comfortable life for her family and a business that gives back to her community. Motivation, from falling on stage to walking with purpose. She dreams of becoming a flight attendant and inspiring others.
Swimsuit portion. I love the energy, love the music of James Reid, tempo, the walk of the girls while they were super fit and really prepared for the competition. Love the two-piece Albert Andrada swimsuit. And then from the top 26, we're down to the top 12, all stunning ladies. From here on, it's going to be more difficult. We're going to now get into the Q&A. So here we go. Next round coming up.
Nice to meet.
Stylist and designer. So,
Derek.
Later. Anong feeling?
Wala akong masyadong
Oo. Okay, what can you say about the win?
Super happy po kami ni Val. Speechless kami.
Speechless pa rin si Val. Pero yung
I told Mario.
Yung mga looks niya, especially the final looks.
Yes, iniba po talaga na. Ginawa talaga namin Barbie, manika, si Atita. Gusto namin. Love her own skin. Big. Yung ginawa namin ni Val. Happy manika. Manika. Yun yung siya. Manika na bagay naman sa kanya talaga.
So, what were the considerations, I mean, for the selection? Must have been hard, no?
Well, it was really hard, Diane. It was really hard. But, you know, like, at the end of the day, we have to see, like, who is really ready to go and compete in Thailand. And yes, Province and Lisa Manalo's beauty was just shining on stage. Although she fell, yes, but you can see she was still confident at the end of the day.
Yeah.
And, you know, everybody, you know, like, was really shining on stage tonight. I mean, it was really hard for us judges. It was really hard.
So, you're saying she had that special glow.
Yeah, she was really glowing. She was really glowing.
And
you know,
I guess you're saying she's the most experienced because you said
she is very experienced. She's veteran. I mean, you can see how she was on stage. Even though she fell, you can see I was like really, you know, like thinking like, okay, well, her mouth will be shaking or something like this after that fall. But she was, you know, like she stood up and she was still confident at the end of the day. So we went, you know, like for Atisa. I mean, her beauty exudes, you know, like and radiates naman on stage.
Thank you so much.